ሄይ ጋይስ እንደምን ቆያችሁ? ዛሬ እንደተለመደው በሌላ ቪዲዮ መተናል። የዛሬ ቪዲዮአችን የሚሆነው ከፓርት 1 ላይ የቀጠለ ከዚህ በፊት በኢንትራንስ ኤግዛሞች ላይ የተጠየቁ የጂኦግራፊ ጥያቄዎችን ለእናንተው ይዘን መተናል። ለዚህ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ ማንኛውም ያላችሁን አስተያየት ኮሜንት ሴክሽን ላይ ጻፉልን። የእናንተ የዛሬ ኮሜንት የነገኛ ስራ ይሆናልና ቀጥታ ወደ ጥያቄዎቹ እናመራለን። አንደኛ which of the following term is used to explain the process by which the Sahara encroach upon arable land as the soil lose their ability to retain moisture? A. Salinizations, B. laterizations, C. desertification, D. degrading። ምንድነው የሚለው ሰሃራ ቦታ ላይ ያሉ እንትኖች ኢንክሬጅ የሚያደርገው ምንድነው? arable land as the soil lose their ability to retain moisture ወይም እርጥበትን እንዳይይዙ የሚያደርግ ይሄን እንዳጠቃላይ ፕሮሰሱን ኤክስፕሌን የሚያደርገው ምንድነው ነው? ሶ መልሱ ሲ ዲዘርቲፊኬሽን ነው ማለት ነው። ዲዘርቲፊኬሽን ማለት ምንድነው? the process by which fertile arable land become desert fertile የነበረ ቦታ ወደ ዲዘርት የሚቀየርበት ፕሮሰስ ነው። typically as a result of drought, deforestation or inappropriate agriculture። ብዙ ጊዜ እንደዚህ አይነት ሁኔታዎች ሀፕን የሚያደርጉት ከድርቅ አንፃር ወይም ዝናብ ከመዘነቡ በጣም ብዙ ጊዜ ሲቆይ ደን ምንጣሮ ሲኖር እንደውም ማለት ነው ኢንአፕሮፕሪየት የሆነ አግሪካልቸር ሲኖር ነው ማለት ነው። ሁለተኛ which of the following content is crossed by the Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, the Equator and the Prime Meridian? A. Africa, B. Asia, C. South America, D. Australia. What will be the answer? ምንድነው በእነዚህ በአራቱም ሜዠርመንቶች ወይ ላቲቱድ እና ሎንጊቱድ ሜዠር ብናደርግባቸው ቦታዎች ክሮስ የሚያደርገው ኮንቲኔንት የትኛው ነው? መልሱ ምንድነው? ኤ አፍሪካ ነው አይደለ? የአፍሪካ ዩኒክ ፖዚሽንድ ጂኦግራፊካል ኦንሊ ኮንቲኔንት ኢንተርሴክት ባይ ኦል ፎር ሜጀር ቤዝላይን ላይንስ። እነዚህ አራት የሚባሉ ቤዝላይኖችን ክሮስ የሚያደርግ ብቸኛው ኮንቲኔንት አፍሪካ ነው። ማለትም በኢኳቶሪያል 0 ዲግሪ ላይ፣ ፕራይም ሜሪዲያን 0 ሎንጊቱድ ላይ፣ ትሮፒክ ኦፍ ካንሰር ላይ 23.5 ኖርዝ ላይ እንዲሁም ትሮፒክ ኦፍ ካፕሪኮን ላይ 23.5 ሳውዝ ላይ ክሮስ ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። ሶስተኛ in which of the following countries is the northern post tip of the Mediterranean types of climate? A. Northern and Southern Africa, B. Northern and Western Africa, C. Eastern and Southern Africa, D. Central and Southern Africa. What will be the answer? The answer is A ነው አይደለ? Yeah, the Mediterranean climate zone in the Africa occurs symmetrically as the extreme fringe of the continent, found only the northern coast like Morocco, Algeria, Tanzania, and the southern tips were like West Cape of South Africa. አራተኛ which of the following factors largely responsible for the extremely high temperatures that are recorded in the continent interior or North Africa? A. ocean current, B. distance from sea, C. altitude, D. latitude። ምንድነው የሚለው ሪስፖንሲብል የሚያደርገው ምንድነው? ኤክስትሪምሊ ወይም ከፍተኛ የሆነ ሙቀታማ አካባቢ ነው ወይም ይሄማ ቀዝቃዛ አካባቢ ነው ብለን ሜዠር የምናደርግበት በየትኛው ወይም ሪከርድ የምናደርግበት በየትኛው እንትን ነው የሚለው። ሶ መልሱ ምንድነው? ዲስታንስ ፍሮም ሲ ነው አይደለ? ያ ቢ the continental interior region experience extreme temperature due to continental high density distance from the sea. Large bodies of water have moderating effect on climate, but deep inland North Africa lacks this marine influence, allowing the land to heat up intensely under the sun. አምስተኛ where in Africa do tropical rainforests develop? A. in areas that have high temperature and high rainfall throughout the year, B. in lowlands that have dry winter and wet summer, C. on highlands that are located across the path of the moist trade winds, D. along the banks the major river of tropical areas. The answer is A ነው አይደለ? in areas that have high temperature and high rainfall throughout the year የሚለው መልስ ነው ማለት ነው። ስድስተኛ in which of the following areas of Africa is wind the major agent of erosion? A. the Savannah grassland, B. tropical rainforest, C. the Sahel region, D. the East African highland. ኢሮሽኑ በምን ምክንያት ነው? በዊንድ የሚከሰተው ኢሮሽን ለዛ ኤክስፖዝ የሚደረገው የትኛው አካባቢ ነው? ሲ the Saharan region ነው አይደል? ያ ሲ። 7ኛ which of the following wild animal of Africa is presently faced with the most severe threat of extinction due to hunting? A. Rhinoceros, B. Elephant, C. Zebra, D. Oryx. The answer will be A. Rhinoceros ነው አይደል? Yeah. While elephants face severe approaching for Ivory after African rainforests, both black and white rhinos are under an even more acute and immediate threat of extinction due to highly aggressive illegal hunting or poaching driven by the black market demand for their horns. Like elephant, ስፔሻሊ ኤሌፋንት እና ሪሂኖሰሮች እነዚህ ሁለቱም በመጥፋት ላይ ያሉ ዋይልዶች ናቸው። ነገር ግን the most በኃይለኛ በቃ አላ ኦሬዲ እየጠፋ ነው ብለን የምንወስደው የትኛው ነው? ሪሂኖሰረንሲ ነው ማለት ነው። 8ኛ which of the following is not among the typical characteristics of drought resistant plants? A. Spongy leaves, stem, roots and fruit. B. Producing seeds that lies dormant for several years. C. Long roots and thorny leaves. D. Leaves that are typically broad in size and a lot in numbers. The answer will be drought resistant የምንላቸው የትኛው ናቸው? ዲ ነው አይደለ? Leaves that are typically broad in size and a lot in number የሚለው መልስ ነው ማለት ነው። 9ኛ which of the following mountains of Africa is the oldest fold mountain in Africa? A. The Cape Range. B. Mount Kilimanjaro. C. Atlas Mountain. D. Mount Rasdashen. What will be the answer? The answer will be A ነው አይደለ? The Cape Range ነው አይደለ? Yeah. The Cape Fold Mountain in South Africa are ancient mountain formed during the Paleozoic era around 300 to 250 million years ago. The Atlas Mountain are much younger tertiary fold mountain, while Kilimanjaro and Rasdashen are volcanic mountain. 10ኛ which of the following is correct about the region of Africa? A. Southern Africa is the most populous. B. Eastern Africa is the largest in terms of its territory size. C. Western Africa has the largest population density. D. Central Africa has the lowest population density. ትክክለኛው ነው የሚለው መልሱ ምንድን ነው? ዲ ነው አይደለ? ያ ሴንትራል አፍሪካ ሎስት ፖፑሌሽን ዴንሲቲ ያለባት አካባቢ የሚለው ሴንትራል አፍሪካ ነው። ሴንትራል አፍሪካ is dominated by dense massive Congo Basin rainforest ecosystem, meaning the large stretches of land are sparsely populated. Consequently, it historically means the lowest population density among the major geographic region of Africa. 11ኛ winds that carry moisture from the Atlantic and Indian Ocean, thereby resulting in heavy rain in the West Africa coast areas. The Ethiopian's highland and eastern Madagascar. A. Equatorial westerly. B. Southeastern trade wind. C. Southeastern trade wind. D, A and B. What will be the answer? The answer is D, A and B ነው አይደለ? Yeah. The equatorial western lines were ማለትም monsoon wind blown from the Atlantic are primarily responsible for delivering heavy rain to West Africa and the southwestern Ethiopian highland. Meanwhile, the southeastern trade wind crossing the Indian Ocean pick up moisture and damp heavy rainfall on the eastern coast of Madagascar and East Africa. Therefore, both wind systems play crucial regional roles. 12. The region of Africa which are most and least urbanized are blank and blank respectively. A. South and East Africa. B. North and East Africa. C. South and Central Africa. D. North and West Africa. The answer is B. North and East Africa ነው አይደል? ያ በአርባናይዜሽን ከሄድን ምንጊዜም ያው ኖርዝ ላይ ብዙ ሞስት አርባናይዝድ ናቸው። ላይክ እንደ ካዛብላንካ፣ ካይሮ እንደዚህ የመሳሰሉ ሲቶች ስላሉ ሞስት እንትኖች ናቸው፣ አርባናይዝድ ናቸው። when it come to ወደ ኢስት አፍሪካ አርባናይዝድ አይደሉም። ስፔሻሊ ወደ ኢስት አፍሪካ ያሉት ወደዛ አካባቢ ያሉት አርባናይዝድ ሌስት ናቸው ከአፍሪካ ኮንቲኔንት አንፃር ሪላቲቭሊ። 13 which of the following factors does not strongly contribute to rapid deforestation in Africa? A. Accelerated urbanization. B. Wind spread poverty. C. Expansion of educational service. D. Overharvesting of trees. The answer will be C. Expansion of educational service. The best answer. Yeah. ስትሮንግሊ ኮንትሪቢዩት የማያደርገው ለዲፎሬስቴሽን ነው። ያው አክሰለሬትድ አርባናይዜሽን መኖሩ ለዲፎሬስቴሽን ሚንስ ነው ኢንዳይሬክትሊ። ኤክስፓንሽን ኤጁኬሽናል ሰርቪስ ግን ምንም አይነት ኢፌክት የለውም። ኦቨር ሃርቨስቲንግ ኦፍ ትሪስ ላይክ ለዲፎሬስቴሽን አንደኛው መንስኤ ነው። ዋይድ ስፕሪድ ፖቨርቲ ላይክ ዲፎሬስቴሽን አንደኛው ነው። ሶ ኤክስፓንሽን ኤጁኬሽን ሰርቪስ ግን ምንም አይነት ኢፌክት የለውም። 14 why is Africa rate of natural increase the highest in the world? A. The wide availability of food and medicine. B. The widespread practice of the merit. C. The presence of high birth rate and declining mortality rate. C. D. The prevalence of high rate of net immigration into the continent. The answer will be C. No, the presence of high birth rate and declining mortality rate is the best answer. 15 Which of the following is not a factor behind the prevalence of high fertility rates in Africa? A. Economic growth and rising standards of living. B. The low status of women in African societies. C. The lowest rate of contraceptive use in Africa. D. The fact that children need to work on the land. The answer will be A. Economic growth and rising standards of living is the best answer. Yeah. High fertility rate Africa ላይ እንዲኖር ያደረገው ኢኮኖሚያቸው ስላደገ ወይም ስታንዳርድ ኦፍ ላይፋቸው የተሻለ ስለሆነ አይደለም። ግሎባሊ when countries experience robust economic growth and rising standards of living, its fertility rates historically decrease. ላይክ እነ ቻይና መውሰድ እንችላለን፣ ዩሮፕ ሀገራቶች መውሰድ እንችላለን። ላይክ ኢኮኖሚያቸው በጣም ያደገ ሲመጣ ፈርቲሊቲ ሬታቸው በጣም እየቀነሰ ነው የመጣው። when come to ወደ አፍሪካ ግን ፖቨርቲ ይጨምራል፣ ነገር ግን ፈርቲሊቲ በተመሳሳይ እየጨመረ ነው የሚሄደው ማለት ነው። 16 What are the main pressure belts that affect the climate of Africa? A. North east and south east trade. B. The equatorial high and subtropical lows. C. The equatorial western lines and eastern lines. D. Subtropic high and equatorial low. What would be the answer? The answer will be D. Subtropical high and equatorial low. Yeah. The atmospheric circulation over Africa is dominated by the subtropic high pressure cells, the Azora Sahara high in the north and Kalahari Halana highland in the south, and the equatorial low pressure belt associated with the inner tropical convergence zone. Like so, በዚህ እንትን መሰረት መልሳችን D subtropic high and equatorial low is the best answer. 17 Which of the following is the most important regulator of the distribution of rainfall in Africa? A. The inner tropical convergence zone. B. Mid-latitude high pressure belt. B. C. Ocean current. D. The Guianan monsoon. What will be the answer? The answer is A. The inner tropical convergence zone is the best answer. 18 Why do southeast and northeast trade winds dominated the climate of Africa? A. Because the large size of the continent. B. Because of the shape of the continent. C. Because most of the continent land mass lies between the tropics. D. Because the continent is crossed by the equators. The answer will be C. Because most of the continent land mass lies between the tropics is the best answer. Because trade winds globally dominated the atmospheric flow between the equator and the tropic, like 30 degrees north to 30 degrees south. Because the vast majority of Africa massive land mass sits directly inside this tropical zone, the specific winds naturally dictate its regional climate. 19 Why is the savanna region in Africa often referred to as the zone of transitions? A. It is located between the wettest and driest climate zone of the continent. B. Its location between the tropical desert and semi-desert of the continent. C. It's located between the northern and southern desert climatic zone. D. It's located between the northern and southern extreme of the continent. What will be the answer? The answer is A. It's located between the wettest and driest climate zone of the continent is the best answer. The savanna acts as a major ecological and climatic buffer zone. It structurally transitions from the wet, dense equatorial tropical rainforest on the one side to the hyper-arid, dry tropical desert like the Sahara or Kalahari on the other. The production of each of the following cash crop does Africa product more than 50% of the world total output? A. Coffee. B. Rubber. C. Coca. D. Cotton. What will be the answer? The answer will be ኮካ ነው አይደለ? ያ ላይክ ኮፊም ከአፍሪካ በጣም ብዙ ኤክስፖርት ይደረጋል። ነገር ግን ኮኬ በጣም ኤክስፖርት ከሚደረገው ነው። በስፔሻሊ ዌስት አፍሪካን ኔሽንስ primarily Cote d'Ivoire and Ghana dominate global cocoa production combined account for well of 50% of them, close to 60 to 70% of world entirely supply of cocaine beans. And which of the following soil group of Africa is the most productive in the continent? A. Vertisols, B. Ferrisols, C. Solonchics, D. Nitosols. The answer will be most productive የትኛው ነው? D. Nitosols ነው ማለት ነው። Nitosols are widely considered the most productive agricultural soil in Africa. They are deep, well-drained, red tropical soil with highly clay content, stable structure, and good water storage capacity. They are highly valued for cultivating crops like coffee and tea, practically in East African highland. 22. Which one of the following countries of Africa gets closer to 90% of their income from export of minerals except A. Angola, B. Nigeria, C. Kenya, D. Botswana. The answer will be, what will be the answer? D. C. ኬንያ ነው አይደል? ያ ሌሎቹ ሀገሮች ለምሳሌ አንጎላ፣ ናይጄሪያ፣ ቦትስዋና ሚነራል አላቸው። ላይ አንጎላ እና ናይጄሪያ ኦይል አላቸው፣ ቦትስዋና ዳይመንድ አላቸው። ክላሲካል ሪሶርስ ዲፔንድ ኦር ሚነራል ዲፔንደንት ኢኮኖሚክስ ዜር ሚነራል ኤክስፖርት አካውንት ፎር ዘ ቫስት ማጆሪቲ ኦፍ ገቨርንመንት ሪቬኒው ኢን ኤክስፖርት እርኒንግ። ኬንያ ባይ ኮንትራስት ሃዝ ማች ሞር ዳይቨርሲፋይድ ኢኮኖሚ ድራይቭድ ፕራይመሪሊ ባይ አግሪካልቸራል ላይክ ቲ፣ ኮፊ፣ ፍላወር፣ ቱሪዝም ኤንድ ሰርቪስ ራዘር ዛን ሜጀር ሚነራል ኤክስትራክሽን። ሶ ሜጀር ሚነራል ኤክስትራክሽን ያላቸው ሀገራቶች እነዚህ ሶስቱ ናቸው። ግን ኬንያ በተለያየ አይነት ኢኮኖሚክ አክቲቪቲ ነው እንጂ በእነዚሁ አይደለም ማለት ነው ኢንካም የምታገኘው። 23 አፍሪካን ኢኮኖሚስ ካራክተራይዝድ ባይ ኤ ሃይ ኢንቴግሪቲ ኦፍ ፕራይመሪ ኤንድ ሰከንደሪ ሴክተር፣ B. A domination by the traditional subsistence activity, C. Production of raw materials primarily for export, D. B and C are answer. What will be the answer? The answer will be D ነው አይደለ? B and C አንደኛው ምንድነው? Domination by the traditional subsistence activity፣ ሌላኛው ደግሞ production of raw material primarily for export ነው። So the answer will be D ነው ማለት ነው። Structurally, most African economies remains dominated by the primary sector, which includes traditional subsistence farming, like option B ላይ ያለው the extraction production for agriculture or mineral intended for export to international market, like option C ላይ ያለው the integration between primary and the manufacturing sector is generally quite weak. So የሁለቱ primary እና manufacturing sector ላይ ከኤዥያ ወይም ከአውሮፓ ሀገራት አንጻር ስናየው ሎ ነው ማለት ነው። 24 which of the following statement about the population of Africa is not correct? A. Africa is the second most populous in the world. B. Roughly about 1 billion people live in Africa. C. The population growth rate is the fastest in the world. D. Africa's population has the longest doubling time in the world. Not correct ነው የሚለው አይደለ? መልሱ ዲ ነው አይደለ? ያ ለምሳሌ ኤም ብናየው አፍሪካ ዘ ሰከንድ ሞስት ፖፑሌት ኢን ዘ ወርልድ የሚል ልክ ነው። ከኤዥያ ቀጥሎ ሁለተኛ በህዝብ ብዛቷ አፍሪካ ነች። የአፍሪካ ህዝብ ከ1 ቢሊዮን በላይ ነው። ትክክል ነው። ፖፑሌሽን ግሮዝ ሬት ቫስትስ ኢን ዘ ወርልድ በጣም ከኤዥያ ቀጥሎ በጣም ፖፑሌሽን ግሮዝ ያለባት ኮንቲኔንት ብትኖር አፍሪካ ነች። ነገር ግን ዲ ላይ ያለው አፍሪካንን ኢንዲኬት ያደርገው ምክንያቱም ደብሊንግ ሬቱ ከሌላ ቦታ አንጻር እንደውም በጣም ፈጣን ነው እንጂ ትንሽ አይደለም። 25 which of the following can not is the reason for the low level of development of irrigation in Africa agriculture? A. Lack of technology and capital. B. Lack of skilled human resource. C. Scarcity of water resource and irrigable land. D. Conflict and political unrest. What will be the answer? The answer is C ነው አይደለ? Scarcity of water resource and irrigable land. So the answer is D. Africa possesses vast internal renewable water resources like Hag River, like the Nile, Congo, Nigeria, as well as Great Lake and substantial arable land that could potentially be irrigated. The actual bottleneck prevent extensive irrigation development are socio-economic and structural constraints such as lack of capital or technology, insufficient skilled human resource, political instability, not in ናቹራል ስካርሲቲ ኦፍ ዋተር ኤንድ ላንድ። ሶ አፍሪካ በሪሶርስ እጥረት ሳይሆን ዋና እንደዚህ አይነት ቻሌንጅ ገጠማት ላክ ኦፍ ኢንሰፊሽንት የሆነ ስኪል ሂውማን ፓወር አለመኖሩ፣ ፖለቲካል ኢንስቴቢሊቲ መሆኑ ነው እንጂ ላይክ ስካርሲቲ ኦፍ ዋተር ሪሶርስ ኤንድ ሪጂብል ላንድ ስለሌላት አይደለም። ብዙ ቦታ አላት ለሪጂብል የሚሆን የሚችል በተመሳሳይ ቦታ ደግሞ ብዙ የሆነ የዋተር ሪሶርስ አላት። የዛሬ ቪዲዮአችን ይህ ይመስል ነበር። በቀጣይ በሌላ ቪዲዮ እስክንገናኝ ድረስ ሰላማችሁ ይብዛ እያልን ለዚህ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ ማንኛውም ያላችሁን ስቴት ኮሜንት ሴክሽን ላይ ጻፍ አድርጉልን። የእናንተ የዛሬ ኮሜንት የነገኛ ስራ ይሆናልና ሰላማችሁ ይብዛ። ሰላም